Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add birthday on your iPhone calendar. So it's pretty simple. So to add birthdays, you need to first add the person's contact on your phone and save the person's birthday on the contact. So for an example, I need to go inside the phone and then click on the plus at the top right. Now over here, I need to add the person's name. I'm going to add them over here and I will scroll a bit down and click on add phone. Now you can add phone, add email, or add anything you want. Just make sure you add something, okay? And this is a random number. You can also do that if you don't know their number, but you just need to enter a number over here. Once you do that, scroll a bit down and click on add birthday. Once you click on add birthday, whichever birthday you select for this person, that is the day you're going to get notification. After you select the birth date over here, click on done at the top right and the person will be added on your contact. Once the person is added on your contact, go on the iPhone calendar and inside iPhone calendar, click on where it says calendars at the bottom. And over here where it says birthday, make sure birthday is tick marked. Once it's tick marked, click on done at the top right. Now you're going to get notified the day when the birthday is. As you guys can see over here, I already have an event for the birthday over here. So yeah. That is basically how you guys can add birthday to your iPhone calendar. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.